What is up, you guys? It's Nance again on your screen, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a vlog in just 3 minutes. Whether you're new to vlogging or just looking to improve your skills, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. First things first, planning. Before you even pick up your camera, you need to have a plan. Decide on your vlog's theme or topic. It could be a day in your life, a travel adventure, or even a how-to video just like this one. Write down a list of key points you want to cover. This will keep you organized and ensure you don't miss anything important. Next up, gear. You don't need fancy equipment to start vlogging. A smartphone with a good camera works just fine. But if you have a camera, a tripod, and a microphone, that's even better because good audio is crucial. So if you can, invest in a decent microphone. And remember, good lighting makes a huge difference. Natural lighting is free and it is your friend. Now, it's time to film. Start with an engaging introduction. Grab your viewers' attention right from the start. Whether you're just starting out or looking to up your game, I've got some golden nuggets for you today. Keep your shots steady and try to vary your angles. Show close-ups, wide shots, and everything in between. And of course, be yourself and have fun. Your personality is what will keep viewers coming back. Next up, editing your vlog. Editing is where the magic happens. For this, I'm using Wondershare Filmora 13, the sponsor of today's video. Wondershare Filmora 13 is super user-friendly and packed with features that make editing a breeze. You can easily trim your clips using AI text-based editing, where you can edit your video just like a document, delete a word, phrase, or even a sentence, then it will reflect also on your video clip. Also, you can add transitions, background music, and even text or graphics to make your vlog more engaging. Keep it concise and to the point. Aim for a 5 to 10 minute vlog to maintain viewer interest. And with Filmora 13, you can achieve professional results effortlessly. Finally, it's time to upload and promote your vlog. Choose a catchy title and thumbnail to attract viewers. Filmora 13 also has a feature of AI copywriting, where you can ask for help with your title, as well as AI thumbnail generator to effortlessly finish your vlog. Write a compelling description and use relevant tags to help people find your video easily. Again, AI copywriting in Filmora 13 can also help you with these things for your video. Share vlog on social media and engage with your audience in the comments. Building a community is the key. And that's it. Now you know how to make a vlog. Remember, practice makes better results. So, keep creating and have fun. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy vlogging.